Top 10 stationary bikes. Man got bored of walking, so they invented cycles. And when they got bored of cycling, they invented stationary bikes. Meant to match the benefits that regular cycling provides, these stationary bikes have been extremely beneficial to those who use them. Or ever since 2020, their own homes. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel, where today we'll be going over a list of the top 10 stationary bikes for fitness. So get your gym gear and let's start cycling with number 10. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Belt Drive. This high-quality indoor cycling bike is ideal for individuals who want to get a fast spin workout in the comfort of their own home. The bike's sturdy construction includes a heavy-duty steel frame and a 44-pound flywheel, making it a great value. It has magnetic resistance, which is a device that creates tension using magnets, making it simple to adjust and intensify depending on your fitness level. It also has an adjustable seat and handlebars, so you may personalize your bike for a more comfortable ride. It's also simple to put up and comes with a device holder so you can use your smartphone or tablet to stream your favorite exercises. One can purchase this bike for approximately $450 from the market. Number 9. Schwinn 270 Recumbent Bike. The Schwinn Recumbent Bike allows you to recline even further, easing lower back pain and tension. The Schwinn 270 is a high-quality option that provides durability and a smooth, silent ride. This Schwinn Recumbent Bike model is a terrific option for any fitness level, with 25 levels of resistance and a range of pre-programmed programs. It has built-in speakers, a huge LCD, a charging port, and an adjustable fan, in addition to Bluetooth connectivity for syncing with your favorite fitness applications. Costing one $550. Schwinn has been extremely generous by providing all its buyers a 10-year warranty of the frame along with the bike, making it a surety that this bike is a solid option for long-term fitness. Number 8. Nordic Track Commercial. If you really want to take fitness seriously and are willing to splurge the money, you should definitely consider the Nordic Track Commercial S22i Studio Cycle. While the bike is expensive, its high-quality steel, construction, smooth ride, and wide range of training options make it a worthwhile purchase. It has a huge library of on-demand spin courses, as well as a collection of global workouts that let you simulate rides practically anywhere in the world. It also contains controls for adjusting the incline and resistance throughout your ride, as well as a rotating 22-inch touchscreen, making it simple to transition from the bike to the mat. A 1-year family membership to iFit is included with the purchase of the commercial S22i Studio Cycle. This beast will cost you $1,599, but with the reviews online, it's safe to assume that it's worth the money. Number 7. Lanos Folding Exercise Bike. The Lanos Folding Exercise Bike strikes the perfect blend of value and versatility, making it ideal for individuals searching for a high-quality exercise bike that won't break the budget. The durable bike gives a quiet, comfortable ride that is well worth the money. It also comes with 10 levels of magnetic resistance adjustment, a device holder, heart pulse sensor, and a huge LCD, giving you everything you need for a wonderful at-home workout. It's also foldable and can be used as an upright or recumbent bike, so there's no need for additional equipment. This bike has 10 different levels of magnetic resistance and is comparatively more minimalist than the other bikes on the list. And that's why it only costs $199.99 to purchase. Number 6. Leiki Fitness X Bike. Check out the Leiki Fitness Leiki X Bike. If you're low on space or want to change up your training spot, this workout bike folds up effortlessly and comes with transport wheels, making it simple to store. It offers 10 levels of magnet resistance for a fully adjustable ride and may be used as an upright or reclining bike. Heart rate monitors are incorporated into the handlebars, And the bike has a display that shows your speed, workout time, and distance. The Leiki X bike is quiet, lightweight, and durable, and it provides outstanding value for money. The bike is very similar to the Lanos, and this too costs only $199.99, which is a pretty good bike for beginners. Number 5. Experpeudic Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike. The Experpeudic Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike folds to half its original size and includes wheels for easy portability, making it an excellent choice for individuals with limited space. It also provides excellent value for money due to its robust construction. The bike also has 8 difficulty levels, a simple LCD, and hand pulse sensors to track your heart rate. Furthermore, the Experpeudic cycle has a spacious seat cushion and can comfortably support a variety of heights and weights. This bike only costs $159, and for those who just want to purchase a bike for infrequent workouts should definitely check out this bike and all other products from Experpeudic. Number 4. Peloton Bike. Peloton is a popular exercise app because of its interactive features and large library of on-demand and live riding programs. The luxury Peloton bike is made of high-quality components, including a strong carbon steel frame that can handle intense workouts, a 22-inch HD touchscreen, built-in speakers, and a near-silent belt drive allow for a quieter ride on the Peloton cycle. It can also link to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth-enabled devices to track and monitor your progress in real time. Peloton's all-access subscription costs $39 a month and gives you access to live weekly courses, as well as a number of other streaming workouts. A 12-month limited warranty is included with the Peloton cycle. Though you may have heard that Peloton recalled over 27,000 bikes in October 2020 due to some glitches, however, we can assure that there is no reason to worry, as the recall only applies to bikes sold between July 2013 and May 2016, not new models. The Peloton bike, keeping aside the non-mandatory subscription, costs $1,495. Number 3. Stryde. The Stryde indoor cycling bike is a great Peloton alternative, since it provides the same high-quality spinning experience at a reduced price. The bike's frame is made of welded powder-coated steel, which provides a lot of stability and endurance. Furthermore, unlike Peloton bikes, which require specific cycling shoes, the Stryde has dual-sided pedals that allow you to use SPD clips or standard gym shoes. It also has a cushioned sports saddle, 100 levels of magnetic resistance, and a 22-inch HD touchscreen for streaming classes. For $29 per month, you can subscribe to the Stryde app, which gives you access to hundreds of workout regimens. The touchscreen may also be used to connect to other fitness apps and streaming providers. While the price of the Peloton bike has dropped, the Stryde is still less expensive when you consider the cost of Peloton cycle shoes and monthly app subscriptions. The overall price of a Stryde bike from their website would be $1,450. Number 2. Rogue Echo Bike. The Rogue Echo Cycle is an upright air bike with a belt-driven seat fan that works smoothly and silently. It has an LCD display that shows metrics such as intervals, distance, and calories burned. The Echo bike is made of heavy-duty steel and provides excellent stability during strenuous workouts. While the machine is on the heavier side, it is equipped with transport wheels for easy movement. Customers love how easy the bike is to maintain and how long it lasts, as well as how much quality it provides for the price. The Rogue Echo bike costs $795, making it a midline cycle, and Rogue has also made a 2-pack combo available for a discounted price. Number 1. DeskCycle. The DeskCycle is a high-quality equipment that offers a quiet, comfortable ride at a low price. This DeskCycle is a great way to stay in shape and get some extra exercise while you work. It's small, portable, and simple to use. It is extremely quiet and features magnetic resistance with 8 intensity levels, allowing you to customize your workout. It also boasts an easy-to-read LCD that shows information about your ride, such as length of your workout, your speed, distance traveled, and the number of calories burned. Since it's not meant to be an active workout tool, it only costs $189, making it, in our opinion, completely worth its value. So those are the top 10 stationary bikes which we believe can definitely help you cut that extra layer of fat and tone your legs. Which one do you plan on buying? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're there, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on bell notifications to always stay updated.